Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been struggling to get that deep clean in those tight spots between your teeth, you're in the right place. Today, I'm reviewing something that's designed to tackle plaque where your toothbrush just can't reach. The GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens, tight interdental brushes. These soft-bristled dental picks promise to give you a clean that floss simply can't match, and they're even safe for braces and dental devices. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a review like this. Now, let's get into the details. The GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are specifically designed for those with tight teeth or dental appliances. These brushes are compact, portable, and come with soft bristles that help gently clean between your teeth, getting rid of plaque buildup that brushing alone might miss. The fact that they're also safe for braces is a game changer for anyone in orthodontic treatment. No more worrying about damaging your appliances while still getting that thorough clean. Plus, they come with a protective travel cap, making them super easy to carry around when you're on the go. Now, let's talk about how these actually perform. From my personal experience, I've found that incorporating these into my daily routine was pretty simple. The soft bristles glide easily between my teeth, and I could feel the difference right away. Those hard-to-reach spaces were cleaned out, and my mouth felt much fresher overall. The fact that these picks are reusable is a huge plus, especially since each one is coated with a hygienic solution that lasts for up to 10 days. But let's talk about real-world usage. These picks are perfect for someone like me who's always on the go. I can toss them in my purse and have them handy after a meal or before meetings. I also tested them with my braces, and I can say they're gentle around the wires and don't cause any discomfort. One downside? If you're not careful, the wire can bend a little after heavy use, but that's a minor issue considering how often I reach for them. When it comes to value, I think these are fairly priced for what they offer. You're not just paying for a basic floss pick. You're getting a high-quality, versatile cleaning tool that's going to work hard to keep your teeth and gums healthy, especially if you wear braces or other dental appliances. For those who don't have braces, these can still be a great addition to your routine, particularly if you have narrow spaces between your teeth. As far as alternatives go, if you're looking for something a bit more affordable but still effective, there are other interdental brushes on the market. Some may not offer the same level of portability or be as gentle around braces, but there are options to consider depending on your specific needs. Now, I'll admit, at first I wasn't sure how much of a difference these would make compared to traditional flossing, but I've been pleasantly surprised. The GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens do exactly what they promise, leaving your mouth feeling cleaner, fresher, and more polished than just brushing alone. To wrap it up, these interdental brushes are definitely a solid investment for anyone needing to clean tight spaces between their teeth, whether you have braces, dental appliances, or just tight teeth. I'd highly recommend them to anyone looking to upgrade their oral hygiene routine. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you're interested in grabbing these GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens, you'll find the link in the comments or description below. And hey, if you've used them before, I'd love to hear about your experience. Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.